I've covered that emotional moment so many times now. A person finally walks out of prison after insisting they were innocent for years. This new law clinic is all about training attorneys for the difficult work that goes into winning these cases.
I kind of fell in love with the feeling associated with helping another human being.
A prominent civil rights attorney focused on innocence, justice, and freedom. Josh Dubin built his career in courtrooms around the country, helping exonerate the wrongfully convicted.
I think it played to the empath in me and the fighter in me. So that was how I got started.
And today, Dubin has a brand new role. As director of Cardozo Law School's Perlmutter Center for Legal Justice, Dubin is now launching a hands-on field clinic for law students.
The Freedom Clinic is going to be part forensic science. And then they're also going to be working on cases to free the wrongfully incarcerated.
Under Dubin's guidance, law students have already started working on active cases.
The way we go about selecting the cases is we get a lot of mail from people that are incarcerated. The gatekeeping or threshold question is going to be whether or not the conviction involved some iteration of what we feel is questionable forensic science.
There's definitely a shortage in post-conviction lawyers.
Deputy Director Derek Hamilton will work alongside Dubin, teaching students from a different perspective.
I've never went to law school at all. I never went to college at all. I got a GED. I've learned everything I know in prison.
21 years in prison as an innocent man. Hamilton spent every moment he could in the law library, working until the day of his own exoneration.
When I was in prison, I knew that there wasn't enough lawyers because I wrote over 50, and I would always get the same responses. Either the resources wasn't there, that you had a great case.
Thinking back to his lowest point, Hamilton vividly remembers solitary confinement.
It was so dark, I couldn't imagine ever being a deputy director at Cardozo School of Law.
Dubin and Hamilton finding joy in their new roles, educating the next generation of freedom fighters.
We are just seeing quite an extraordinary change in just the few months that we have been working with them.
And it's just enriching to see that they will comb through the record. I will comb through the record. They will see something I miss, or I will see something they miss.
And I hope they walk away with some sense of compassion. That to me is more important than anything else.
After clearing his own name, Derek Hamilton played a key role in helping 5 other people with their exonerations. And Dubin and Hamilton's work at Cardozo Law just received major new support, a $15 million donation from the chairman of Marvel Entertainment.